Hi friends, so I wanted to talk to you about the picture that I just had you look at. Now I asked you a few questions to answer and I wanted to talk about those. So in this picture I asked you a few questions about the different shapes. Now if we look at this picture, I want to review counting these because I asked you how many shapes were in this picture altogether, which means how many individual shapes do we have? So if we go through these and count, we know that if we were to have 0 shapes, that would mean that nothing would be in the picture. But we see shapes, so that means that we need to count them. And if we have 1, that means we start at 1 because we have 1 circle here, and we would continue to count. So if we go through starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now there's 18 shapes altogether. And we've been learning how to count up to 20. So you should have been able to count 18 shapes. And we learned that also no matter which way our shapes or any object that we are counting are placed, whether it be from top to bottom or from left to right, we'll still get the same number either way. So if we count from top to bottom and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, we still get the same amount of shapes. And that's what we're looking for. And I'm really proud of you for looking for the different shapes and counting all of them like I asked you to, and you did a very good job. So after this video, you're going to see one more question at the end of this assignment. And then there'll be a slide after that to let you know that you're done as well. So thank you for watching me help explain that question, those problems, and to review your accounting skills as well.